Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for parking lots and options on the Flowbird application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on the parking button down below on the left side of the screen. And then you should click on zone code down below on the left side again. Select your country or your location and then tap on the location button, and you can also type in a zone code, then click OK, and here you will be able to find the available parking options and parking lots. So tap on the relevant one and then you will be able to browse among the available ones, and basically here you can see the information, and you can either click on the route button to get the directions, and you can also click on the park here button. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.